What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So a lot of people ask me all the time is how much XRP do you need? Not to become a millionaire, just to become wealthy, just to have the opportunity to become wealthy. Because no one knows 100% that this thing is going to happen. We all kind of guesstimate. We all kind of use our education, our knowledge of the crypto space to tell us this is where we believe it's going to go. It doesn't mean that it's 100% going to go there. Do I know everything? No. Does the expert over there know everything or anything? No, right? They know what's in front of them. They don't know what the company is going to be able to do, Ripple is going to be able to do when it comes to implementation for XRP within the banking systems, the payment options. We don't know that, right? And if we don't know that, that means that we can't say it 100% will get there. And I've never said that it will 100% get there. This is why I always tell people to have an exit plan spreadsheet, an exit plan strategy, right? Because if you have an exit plan strategy, you're not just set up to hold whatever you're holding now until 2026 or 2030 or 2060 or 3000, right? Like you're not set up to hold it for that long and just, set it and forget it. Now there's some that you might want to do. You might want to do that with and have kind of that forever coin that flows through your generation to the next generation to the next generation. Who really knows what's going to happen by that time? You might have, crazy different currency, right? Who knows? But the point is that you need to hold a certain amount to give you the opportunity. And I'll give you what that certain amount is today, and I kind of spoiled it in the title. You only need 1,000 in order to give you the opportunity, because if you don't know what's going to happen and you see all these predictions that are out there, this is what I believe you need to hold in order to at least have that opportunity. It doesn't mean that you will 100% gain $1 million, but it does mean that you'll have the opportunity to do so, depending on what the business does. But you're setting yourself up for whatever you believe the business is going to do, right? If you believe Ripple is going to be able to completely infiltrate all of these different banking systems and place XRP as that payment option, then you're giving yourself that opportunity, investment wise, money wise, in order to capitalize on what you believe is going to happen. Now, if you believe something different, then you're giving yourself that next best opportunity to see that. Now, if you're looking for $1 million, maybe you might want to see 2,000 or 3,000 or 10,000, right? It all depends on what you believe is going to happen. I have a different belief than other people, but I do see a lot of the predictions that are out there, and a lot of them will range somewhere in between, like, $100 and $1,000. And people say on the high end will be $1,000, right? And some people, more extreme predictions will be 10,000, 30,000, 50,000, and all of that, right? Now, is that confirmed? No. But let's get into XRP today and let's talk about the 1,000 XRP that you need and how it really gives you that opportunity or provides that opportunity. But guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, if you guys want to trade XRP, if you want to trade $100 worth of XRP, but essentially trade $500 leverage trading or maybe $1,000 leverage trading, then you can use Margex. The link to Margex is in the description. It's a fantastic platform. I want you guys to be careful, and I do have a lot of information on leverage trading on my Patreon, and I provide that information to everyone there. And if you guys have any questions, you feel free to reach out to me, and I can answer those questions on what you feel about Patreon or what you feel about Margex and leverage trading overall. So definitely check that out. But if we look at XRP where it currently stands, is at about 53 cents. I have 20,000, technically I have 21, but I have 20,000 XRP, and I'm done buying XRP. I feel like I believe that I'm going to have that opportunity, a large opportunity, because I have that much invested. But it doesn't mean that I guarantee myself that level of how much I'm going to make there. I have certain levels that I believe I'm going to make. But it's currently sitting at a $28.7 billion market cap. It did go up to 53 cents, but it's lower than that. It's about 52.97, just lower than 53 cents. It was at the mid level 53 cents in the last 24 hours. but we're seeing it a lot lower. The volume is down by 42%. That's not great to see. It's at $456 million, which is still a lot. It's just not as much as it typically sees, which is more in the range of a billion or 2 billion. The circulating supply, again, that is something we always worry about because it is going to continue to add more throughout time. If we looked at XRP on Margex, I mean, it's pretty much flowing with this trend line that I drew months ago. I was going to say weeks ago, but months ago. And where it stands is it's kind of holding up at those levels and showing that it may bounce over this level, pushing it back up to 70 and maybe even above that point to really, fight some of those higher levels. Again, if you guys want to start trading on Margex, feel free to trade on Margex. This is what it looks like. It is a really, really good platform. I like it, and it is something that helps out the channel. So feel free to use my referral link down below. If you don't want to and you don't want to do that, that's fine as well. But just check out the platform because it is a really, really good platform. I have a total of, I have a total of $527 in orders within XRP right now. And some of them are at a 5x, some of them are at a 10x, and all of that. So I'm taking advantage of what I can gain there, and that's an extra like 1,000 right now. And depending on what it grows to, it could be 2,000 or 3,000 extra XRP. But the reason why I believe that 1,000 is kind of that point, right? When I have my exit plan spreadsheet, which again, this is available on Patreon if you want this. If I have my exit plan spreadsheet, I have 1,000 coins that's sitting in here. And as you grow, right, you see it at a level of $10, that's $10,000, a level of $20 is $20,000, and so on and so forth. A lot of people have this as a significant level, right? $1,000 that they believe that it's going to get to and probably resist hard from when it comes to standard investors. But when it comes to use case, you might end up seeing it flourish well above that, depending on what people believe. Now, if you're seeing massive predictions around this level, it means that $1,000, having 1,000 coins, will kind of guarantee you, or not guarantee you, but it guarantees you the opportunity if you believe that this is the way that this is going to happen. Now, as you have more, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 10,000, whatever, right? You now have a further opportunity to gain more out of it, to have more profits in the end, and potentially become that XRP millionaire that you all want to become. Now, for me, that's only if you're looking to take 1,000 and always hold on to it. For me, I'm always looking to hold on to 1,000 to see what that can be, at least. In my exit plan spreadsheet that I went through recently, I talked about how I was going to have, 1,000 or 2,000 that's left over after the fact. And, I truly believe that you need to see that through. If you believe that XRP is going to be worth that much, then you need to have a certain amount that's going to see that much. And if you don't, then you never truly believed in the first place, right? So that's what I wanted to say here, right? This is the opportunity. You only need to hold, 1,000. I think there's a lot of people that hold a lot more than that. Right now, it's only $500 to hold 1,000. And I think there's people out there close to me that have 10,000 or even close to where I have 20,000. And then some people that have way more than me. I've seen somebody that has 100,000 XRP, which is fantastic because it gives you that kind of, for me, and I'm not saying anything is really guaranteed, but it does look like a guaranteed opportunity to gain that, right? To get up to this level to where you're now at an XRP, you're able to be an XRP millionaire because you invested $50,000 into that one play that now can go to $10 a piece, meaning that your 100,000 at $10 a piece equals, $1 million there. That would be fantastic for you, fantastic for your family, and fantastic for your gains. So anyways, let me know what you think about this. Do you think that 1,000 is a significant level to hold and that you need to hold at least 1,000? If you hold anything less than that, you still have an opportunity to gain a lot. Don't get me wrong, because even if you have, let's say 100, even if you have 100, you still see those opportunities at a level of $10, at a level of $5 to gain significant gains over what you have here, which is only $60 or $50 that you invested, right? So, take all of this that I'm saying with a grain of salt, but I do believe that XRP will be worth a lot and we'll provide you that opportunity as you get to $1,000 a piece, right? But anyways, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below for my Patreon, HG Access, as well as Margex. But I'm going to catch you guys in the next one. See ya.